Ayaw, Riza. Memorable nga siya.
This is our family trip. Imag family. Okay, Rana, siya naman. Di ba?
Ayan,
Challenge kami sa
diba? Sasakot kayo.
See this is
This is the...
Chorba.
This
We
is
are now in
in the Imagro Davao City.
Saka magdabaw. Na, mangita tag lechon.
Yes. We have to find lechon. To lechon. Hawaii mo pag istorya na bigod.
We're gonna be swimming in
And
Coco Bay.
we gonna be hiking and fly away.
Yeah.
And hiking to the Mount Everest.
And we will go to the
Yeah.
Amazon River.
Yes. And we will go to the Amazon jungle forest.
We will find
Yes,
kangaroo snakes.
No, we will find frogs to eat.
Kangaroo snakes.
Kangaroos na nice mga
Crocodiles.
crocodile tears.
Crocodile tail.
Si Mariel. Wait, hi Mariel.
Hi, Ariel.
Kailan na sister? Nanatas
Kana,
mo.
kana nasa likod mga balikat.
Mga talapungo na sila.
Talapulo.
Mga junjun.
Junjun. Na si Jumar sa likod.
Oh, Jomar the second, Jomar the third, and Jomar the fourth.
Go get your coat.